Hello guys! Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, your trusted place where we expose online products and help you avoid wasting your money. Today we're reviewing Hydrolabs Posture Fix, a product that claims to instantly restore healthy posture, reduce neck and back pain, and even stay invisible under your t-shirt. Sounds impressive, but is it really worth buying? Or just another overhyped posture gadget? Let's break it down. First, the main claim, instant posture correction. Now let's be realistic. Posture problems usually develop over months or even years. No wearable brace can permanently fix posture instantly. What these products typically do is gently pull your shoulders back as long as you're wearing them. So yes, it may temporarily improve posture, but it's not a magic solution. Second claim, alleviates neck and back pain. A posture corrector can sometimes reduce strain caused by slouching. However, pain relief depends on the root cause. If your pain is due to muscle weakness or medical conditions, a simple brace won't solve it long term. In some cases, overusing posture braces can actually weaken your muscles if you rely on them too much. Third claim, seamlessly fits under any t-shirt. Many posture correctors are designed to be slim and lightweight, but comfort varies from person to person. Some users report sweating, skin irritation, or discomfort after long hours of use. Now let's talk about the website itself. Before buying, check. Does it provide real company information? Are there genuine customer reviews outside their website? Is there a clear return and refund policy? So, is Hydrolabs Posture Fix worth it? It may help as a short-term posture reminder, but it's not a permanent fix. For long-term results, exercises, stretching, and strengthening your back muscles are far more effective. Final verdict, not necessarily a scam, but don't expect miracles. If you found this review helpful, like this video, subscribe to Online Scam Advisor and stay safe from online traps. See you in the next review. Thank you.